From the beginning of time, mankind has never been satisfied with just surviving. We've always wanted to do better. For ourselves, for our families, for our communities, and for our businesses. Collectively, we are driven to thrive. But today we face a new challenge. Resources are more scarce. To innovate and thrive, we have to do more with less. Because now, more than ever, innovation demands efficiency. It starts with unlocking crucial dollars from within. Many enterprises are spending over 80% of IT dollars just to maintain the status quo, as opposed to investing in innovation. From this point on, it's time to break the status quo, to drive inefficiency out of IT, to free the funds locked up in legacy systems and redirect them to innovation. Innovation that has the possibility to transform our world, to transform our children's world. How do you break the status quo? Standardize, simplify, and automate, collaborating closely every step of the way. It's a strategy that's already working for us at Dell and the thousands of enterprises we serve. At Dell alone, we are consolidating our servers up to 30 to 1. Rather than continually building new data centers, we've eliminated 6,000 old servers and deployed nearly 7,000 virtual machines with the goal of reaching 10,000 by the end of 2010, saving more than $100 million over the course of 2 years. And what about the status quo? It's fading into history. Together with our customers, we will rapidly approach the point where IT running costs will be only 50% of budget, freeing dollars locked away in outdated proprietary systems. Dollars we can now redeploy to address the issues facing our customers, communities, and the planet. We can help your business do the same. Join us and other efficient enterprises that choose to run on Dell.